Home Remedy TV. In this video, you will learn the benefits of garlic water and how to make garlic water. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos of this kind. Drinking enough water daily is good for your body, but combining water with garlic will help you live longer. Benefits of garlic for the body. Garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. Garlic can combat sickness, including flu and common colds. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart diseases. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's diseases and Dementia. Garlic may help you live longer. Athletic performance might be improved with garlic supplements. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body. Benefits of garlic water. It improves your immune system. It prevents and treats cancer. It helps in weight loss. It boosts energy. It fights infections. It reduces cholesterol. It lowers blood pressure. It aids digestion. It disinfects all wounds. It treats vaginal yeast infection. It helps to relieve from mouth ulcer. It improves exercise performance. It treats stomach cancer. It improves the function of many important body organs. Instruction: make sure the garlic is fresh. The fresher the garlic, the better. How to prepare garlic water. Take 1 glass of water and 1 clove of garlic. Crush 1 clove of garlic and let it sit for 15 minutes. The 15 minutes waiting period allows the enzymes release. The waiting period will increase the potency of the garlic. After 15 minutes, place the crushed garlic in water. Stir well and then drink the entire content. If you want to reduce the garlic taste, you can always add a tablespoon of honey. Honey has many other health benefits too. Advice: be considerate, as many people can be allergic and sensitive to garlic and should avoid it. It could sometimes cause digestive upset. It could thin the blood. If you are consuming any medication that thin blood, please consult your doctor beforehand. We hope this information will help you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos of this kind. Thank you for watching.